Hey everyone, Nadine's back again. And as it turns out, school just got even more stressful, but that's okay because I'm back with another video. Today I just want to show y'all what I've been up to for the past few months, and that's making bread and pastries. But anyways, I was planning to maybe, like sell them, get a little money on the side. Hope y'all could help me, and without further ado, here's my recipe. So we're gonna start off by sifting 3 cups of flour. I just found out that by sifting it, you're gonna make it even more fluffy. I don't know, I just found it yummier that way. Anyways, yeah, we sift it and then we add the sugar. I sifted the sugar as well, but yeah. And then after that, we're gonna add the salt. Then we're gonna add the yeast. I use some dry instant yeast from my local grocery store, but it's up to you. Then we're gonna add some melted butter and the beaten egg. Then we need to add the lukewarm milk. And then we're gonna mix it. This part can be either really tedious or really fun. You just have to try to enjoy it, I guess. You're basically gonna need it until your arms fall off, so might as well like chill and relax, put on your favorite K-drama show. And yeah. After your arms are sore, you're gonna wanna form it into a ball and put it into a bowl and massage some oil in it. Cover and let it sit for about an hour or so. We're gonna start with our cream cheese, then add some sugar, pour in some citrus juice. I use lemon juice from the store. A little bit of vanilla extract, then some egg yolk, just the egg yolk. Then we'll mix it up together until it's super soft and smooth. Then lay out your puff pastry and cut it to however many you want. I can't cut straight lines. Anyways. Then we'll put some egg wash into the corners, which is just egg and water. And we fold it. Then it's time to put the batter in. After that, put some egg wash into the sides. You can also sprinkle in some cinnamon and sugar into the sides if you're into that. Then we bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes or until it's golden brown. While that's baking, we take out the rested dough and we knead it again. Then we're gonna divide it into however many buns you want. In this case, I'm only doing 8, I guess. Then we roll it and put in some cheese. There's a lot of effective ways you can go about this, but you don't want any like cracks or lines that your cheese can sip through. Then I decided to line up my parchment paper, sprinkle in the breadcrumbs, and be generous with it. And we do it all over again. Then we bake it at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once our Danish cheese are cooled down, you can add some toppings. In this case, I added some milk and cherries. Topped it off with more milk for the aesthetic. Voila, Hiii. Wow, look at you. You finished all that again. Good job. I applaud you. Thank you for saying bye. And please look forward for upcoming videos. I'll try to post as much as I can, as always. But school is just really getting me right now. But it's okay. We're really hanging on. Online school, am I right? Stay safe, stay healthy, educate yourselves. Bye.